Hello CoolCrafters! Welcome to my YouTube channel MimiBits CoolCraft. Today I'm going to show you how I made a BtoB Minhyuk 20cm plush doll. And ta-da! This is the result! Super cute, right? The letters on his shirt looked backward because I used my front camera, so it's mirrored. So, do you want to know the making process? Let's get started! I use Velboa fabric for the face, the head, and the body for this plush doll, and felt fabric for the eyes. I use a regular paper glue stick to glue the eyes on the face, and after that, I draw his face and his hairline with a washable fabric marker, or you can use a temporary marker. So it will be easier for you to sew or embroider the face and the hair. I glue the hair piece with a bit of liquid glue in order for the fabric to stick better. You can watch the tutorial on how to embroider the plush doll face by hand or by a basic sewing machine on my channel. I'll put the link on the description down below. This time, I sew it with sewing machine, but of course you can sew it by hand as well, by using backstage method. And then, I stuff the plush with polyester fiber. I'll put the link down below on how you can get these materials and how to stuff the plush head properly. I use leather stitch to attach the head to the body. And also for the ears and the hands. For the shirt, I use Nilex fabric. And I glue the Velcro onto the shirt. For the pants, I use felt fabric. I embroidered the letters on the shirt with my basic sewing machine. If you want to know how I did it, just leave the comment down below and I will make the tutorial next time. Final touch, put a little blush on his cheeks. And it's done! Read the description down below if you want to get the sewing pattern. Hey, the video is not over yet! So, I want to tell you that I get so many requests from all of you guys and it's hard for me to choose which one should I make first. So, I will pick one randomly from this bowl. And this is going to be a challenge for me to make the character that you've requested. Are you ready? And I pick this one. Let's open it. Yay! So here it is. I pick Haikyuu. So I will try to make a character from the anime Haikyuu for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and wish me luck!